Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is April mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Sagittarius, fire sign. What are the messages for you, Sagittarius? What's going on and what are the messages for you? What are the messages for Sagittarius and what's going on? Messages for Sagittarius. What's going on? Messages for Sagittarius. April mid-month reading. Under the deck, Ace of Swords and Two of Cups. I think you are in separation with your person. For some, you are in no contact situation right now, and there is communication. For some, there is communication is coming. Ace of Swords, someone want to admit their feelings to you, and Two of Cups, I think you are feeling that this person is your soulmate and this love is mutual. Maybe if you are in separation, your person also loves you. Yes, this love is mutual. And Ace of Swords, there is some truth coming out, communication, for some new beginnings also. So let's see what happened in your connection in past. Wheel of Fortune, Five of Wands, and the moon. So in past, there are a lot of issues between you and your person. Five of Wands with the moon. Maybe they are hiding something from you. Things are not going well in past. Definitely there are some issues, disturbances. Wheel of Fortune. But I think financially you are okay in past, but emotionally, relationship wise, you are not okay. There are some issues. Maybe something mysterious in this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Pisces and Capricorn. Then present Devil, Nine of Swords and Five of Swords. Maybe your person lied to you, cheated on you. For some, third party situation also involved, Sagittarius. So Devil, maybe this person may be toxic for you. For some, this person obsessed with you. Maybe you are now concentrating on your career. Maybe you are focusing on yourself started. That's why maybe they are obsessed with you. And Nine of Swords, you are also thinking them about a lot. Nine of Swords energy, you are not sleeping well, you are getting a lot of thoughts, you are thinking about the past a lot. Then future, Seven of Wands, Four of Cups and Two of Pentacles. So Seven of Wands, I think you still want your person back, you're still thinking about them, you're still feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Four of Cups is here and Two of Pentacles. So juggling, you are juggling between head over heart. Maybe your heart saying you still want this person, but your head saying no, just move on. So this is the juggling between head over heart situation, Sagittarius. And the signs are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Capricorn and Pisces. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. And the star under the deck, the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. So they still have hopes on this connection. So let's see their feelings. Sagittarius, your person feelings towards you. Ace of Swords, Five of Swords, Knight of Swords and Judgment under the deck. They are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship in near future. And Ace of Swords, Five of Swords and Knight of Swords, lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Ace of Swords, definitely they want to communicate with you. They want to say some truth to you. Yes, they are in rush to talk with you. Five of Swords, maybe they want to fix the things between both of you, because the terms between both of you are not good. Definitely because Five of Swords energy. So they want to give clarity. So they want to clarify that and they want to communicate with you. They're going to be make some decision also regarding this relationship. So let's see their intentions. Sagittarius, your person intentions. Okay, Ace of Cups. Hermit, Nine of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands and Temperance. So Ace of Wands, definitely your person is attracted to you. They want passionate new beginnings with you. But Ace of Cups is here. Yes, they have so much love for you. They love you. But right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. The Hermit, they're not talking to you right now. And Nine of Pentacles, for some your person right now concentrating on their career. Nine of Pentacles energy. But they are taking their time because Temperance, maybe they are patiently waiting for the right time to approach you. But their feelings is to communicate with you, and they have so much love to you, towards you. And Hermit, but right now they are undergoing some transformation. And for some your person is already financially well stable. Yes, they will communicate with you, but for some it will take some time. But they are very passionate towards you, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And signs are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Virgo, Capricorn and Pisces. Yes, they want to take action towards you very soon. They will take action. And Ace of Wands, yes, they want passionate new beginnings with you. They are very attracted to you. Or the person involved in this connection could be another Sagittarius. It's your card and it's your reading, Temperance. Yes, they're patiently waiting. They want to restore the balance in this connection, and they're patiently waiting to make a move towards you. Yes, they will take action very soon. They are very attracted to you, Sagittarius. One card is popped out. Let's see what that card. That is Page of Cups. Yes, they want to say apology to you, communication. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Wow, they are spying. They are spying on you. They are watching you because they want to make move towards you. Under the Queen of Pentacles, maybe you are concentrating on your career. You are creating more money. Yes, your person watching you, spying on you. They want to make move towards you. Definitely they will make a move towards you. And Seven of Swords, maybe there are some trust issues between both of you right now. So your person, that's why they're taking their time to come towards you. Because under the deck, Strength, the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. Because they're scared for the rejection. Because in past, maybe they hurt you. Maybe for some third party situation also involved. There are some trust issues between both of you. That's why they're taking their time. Because Seven of Swords, something sneaky in this connection. So definitely they will take action very soon because they're still attracted to you. But Seven of Swords, so for some, if they really putting you in third party situation, there is no equal give and take, then it's been years, they're not coming back, then there is no point to wait for them. So for some, if you are the small disturbances between both of you, then it is okay to wait for them. But they will take action very soon, and they will very passionate towards you. Yes. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Okay. The energy is gaining momentum. Yes, the energy is gaining momentum. That was one message. And another message. It's time to take action. So, new moon in Aries. So, definitely the energy is gaining momentum. Maybe you're not seeing, but it is definitely in 3D, it is gaining momentum. And it's time to take action, new moon in Aries. So, if you don't want until your person to take action towards you, maybe for some you have to take action according to your situation. It's time to take action, and the energy is gaining momentum. So definitely they will make action very soon. Yes, communication is coming. They're spying you. They want to make a move towards you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.